This is an update on my gel pen review comparison. Let's see how my gel pens are doing after a few years. Also, have you seen this putty trick? It's supposed to help more ink come out on dry gel pens. I'm gonna try it out today and we can see if it works. I'm using a kneaded eraser. I just got these Languo 54 acrylic gel pens and I was not a huge fan, but let's first start with these. Jelly Roll Metallic, Jelly Roll Moonlight, and Jelly Roll Stardust. The Stardust I have had since 2019, so 7 years. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's insane. And these ones don't do well on black paper. I want to try the putty trick. Hold on, let me find one that doesn't work. Okay, here we go. This one is not working. Okay. Ooh, got that. Okay, so far, not working. Wait. Wait, it's working. Oh my gosh, is that the trick? I don't even have to put putty in there? Okay, wait, this orange one wasn't working and then I just kept moving it around and it worked without taking its cap, the base off. So, I don't know. What if I try doing some putty? Wait, how am I supposed to get it in there? It's supposed to be on the tube, the smaller tube. See that? That is, I'm not pushing it in all the way because it's really hard to get this off. But there's definitely, the putty is like, well, it's kneaded eraser putty. But it's definitely covering up the little tube in there. Okay, it is definitely juicier. So I don't think most jelly rolls need this. These ones are from 2019, so they were getting dry anyways. But so here's this one. It's kind of a tricky process to do this, but let's try it out. Yep, it's definitely, yeah, a lot more ink is coming out. So it looks like they really do just fine. These ones are not as inky as the ones that I put the putty in. So I think if I wanted to revive all of these, I could do the putty in that. It is kind of a tricky process. The Jelly Roll Moonlight, I got these in 2023, so they're about 3 years old. They are still doing amazing. Check this out. Look at how inky they are. I just barely made this last night. So these are still going strong. I don't even need the putty at the end to revive them or anything. The Jelly Roll Metallic, these ones also are going strong. 3 years old and so juicy. They look so great on black paper. And this is the gold one. I really love the shine of this gold. It's not too bright. It's not too yellow. It's the perfect gold. Right here, Archer and Olive, these ones, even when using them at first, they were really streaky. I gave these ones away. Next are the Pentel Dual Metallic, Pentel Sparkle Pop, which were called something different, but they're the same colors. And then Pentel Milky Pop here. And these ones, I couldn't justify keeping them when I have so many other really nice gel pens. There's nothing necessarily wrong with these. They just weren't exactly the colors that I love and the options that I needed. Next, we have the Karen Metallic, Milky Way, and Star Sparks. The Star Sparks are a little more glittery. The Milky Way are more opaque, the paint style. And then the Metallic are just really shiny. So here was the Milky Way. It looks great on black paper. Here's the Metallic. Oh, these ones are so smooth. And then here is the Star. So these Karen Milky Way are 3 years old and they're not really coming back. The black one is amazing still. The metallic ones are great. It seems like you have to work through some dryness on some of them. They are coming back just fine. And the Star Sparks are still just as smooth and juicy. So the metallic and Star Sparks can last for 3 years at least. Then these are the Pentel Matte Hop, and these ones were really good when I first got them. These ones are from 2024, so they are 2 years old, and I can't get much out of it. I tried all of them, and some of them kind of work, but they're not great. So as good as these ones are in the beginning, they do not last. And I'm trying to see if I can put putty in it, but I can't get it off. For the life of me, I cannot get this off. This one is a languao that I know doesn't work very well. So I opened it to try and put putty in it. And what I found, there's like some gel in there. I couldn't figure out where the tube was to put the putty in. And so I put some mechanical pencil down there and my lead got stuck in the gel and then the lead broke. So now I have to figure out how to get that out. But that is so interesting. I wonder if they were trying this gel in here to be like the putty. But now I'm like, where do I even put the putty? Okay, I got my lead. So I'm going to try this anyway, but I don't think it's going to do anything because it's not a tube in there that I'm covering. Wait. Wait, it did work. Wait, it really worked. Oh my gosh, it is like spilling out now. Maybe it worked a little too much. Oh my gosh, yeah, it worked too much. Look at that. Okay, this is really interesting. But like I said in my video, I don't want to put putty in 54 pens. Okay, it's kind of mellowed out, but now it is really smooth and it is not overly. So I don't know if you have to buy this pack, but this could be the answer if you have them and it's not a really flowy one. Putty trick kind of works. Okay, wait, now it's getting even more dry than before. So it's like it shot out a bunch of the ink at first and now I can't get any to come out. So now did I just ruin my pen? I mean, it wouldn't work before, but it was better than this. Okay, that is super weird. Okay, I took the putty out and it's working again? Oh my goodness, I don't even know. It works now, better than the before. The difference is I didn't put this back on all the way tight. And there's a little bits of putty. I don't think the putty's doing anything. How weird. Okay, look at this. It's starting to get dry. So let's try taking out this putty. Now let's try it. Oh, immediately it's back. Okay, that is so weird. Languao acrylic gel pens. And I give you more details in my recent review video, but basically I don't like the way that I have to push the ball when I'm writing with it. Even I tried an improved set. You don't have to push it as much, but it still isn't as smooth of a writing experience as like what I had with the Jelly Roll. So in the end, I might still try these a little bit, but Jelly Roll is the winner.